Hey there, welcome back to English Unveiled. I'm Elena. Today, I have a strange compliment for you. If you want to speak perfect English, you need to become lazy. Lazy means unwilling to work or use energy. I know. Your teachers always told you to work hard, to pronounce every letter, to be clear. But here is the truth. If you pronounce every letter clearly, you will sound like a machine. Native speakers are lazy. They swallow sounds. They make vowels disappear. Today, we're going to learn the most important sound in the English language. It is a sound so small you might not hear it. It's invisible. I call it the ghost sound. If you master this ghost, your accent will change instantly. Ready to get lazy? Let's begin. In linguistics, this sound has a name. It is called the schwa. But you don't need to remember that name. Just remember the sound. It sounds like a tiny, weak grunt. Listen. Uh, uh. It is not like in father. It is not like in bed. It is just uh. It is the sound you make when someone punches you gently in the stomach. Uh. This sound is the secret glue of English, but to find it, we need to understand one concept first: syllables. A syllable means a single unit of pronunciation, or one beat in a word. For example, cat has one syllable, cat. Window has two syllables, win-dough. Beautiful has three syllables, beau-ti-ful. Now, here is the golden rule of English pronunciation. In every word with more than one syllable, there is only one king. We call the king the stress. Stress means giving extra emphasis or loudness to one part of a word. The king is loud, the king is clear, the king is strong. But what about the other syllables, the syllables that are not the king? They become the ghost. They lose their power. They become the lazy sound uh. Let me show you this with a fruit we all know, banana. If you read this word like a robot, you see three-letter A's. So you say ba, na, na. Three strong A sounds, ba, na, na. This sounds robotic, but a native speaker knows there is only one king in this word. The king is the middle syllable, na. So the first syllable becomes a ghost, not ba, but ba. The last syllable becomes a ghost, not na, but na. Listen to the music. Ba, na, na. Do you hear it? The middle is loud. The sides are ghosts. Let's try another one. Let's go ghost hunting with some common words. Word number 1, computer. The robot says com-pu-ter. Every sound is clear, but the native speaker finds the king. The king is pu, so the O at the beginning becomes a ghost sound, ka. The at the end becomes a ghost sound, ta. Listen, ka-m-pu-ta. Computer. Word number 2, today. Many students say today. I am going out today. But the king is day, so to becomes the ghost sound ta. Listen, ta-day. I'm going out today. Word number 3, police. It is not po-lice. The O is a ghost. It sounds like pa. Pa-lice. Call the police. Now, this gets even more powerful when we put words into sentences. In English, the small grammar words like to, for, at, or of are almost always ghosts. We crush them. For example, look at the phrase cup of tea. The robot says cup of tea, but the word of is not a king. It is weak. It becomes a or just a. So we say cuppa tea. It sounds like one word, cupatia. Another example, go to school. The word to becomes t. Go to school. This is why native speakers sound fast. We are not speaking faster, we are just skipping the ghosts. We are connecting the kings. Connect means to join two or more things together. Let's practice this together. I call this the stress and release system. When you say the king syllable, use energy, stress. When you say the ghost syllable, relax your face completely, release. Let's try the word photography. The stress is on tog. That is the king. Everything else is a ghost. Fo, fa. Ra, ra. Fi, fi. Repeat after me, slowly. Fa, tog, ra, fi. Now smooth it out. Photography. Photography. Excellent. You sounded like a native speaker just then. Today, we unveiled the invisible sound, the schwa, the ghost. To sound natural, you don't need to be perfect. You need to relax. Here is your mission for today. Find 3 words that you use often that have more than one syllable. Find the king, the stress, in each word, and turn the rest into ghosts. Say them out loud. Record yourself. Compare the robot version with the ghost version. You will be amazed by the difference. And in the comments below, tell me what is one word you pronounced wrong before today. For me, when I was learning, it was the word vegetable. I used to say veggie-table, but now I know it's vegetable. Share your word with us. Thank you for finding the ghosts with me today. Clarity is a skill you can build. Practice smart, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode.